how to create an array. Let's start by creating a simple NumPy array using np.arange 8. This generates an array starting from 0 going up to, but not including, 8. Here's the output: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's take it a step further. We'll use np.arange with 3 arguments: start, stop, and step. For example, np.arange 2, 9, 1. This means start at 2, go up 2, but not including 9, and increase by 1 each time. np.arange is super useful for generating sequences of numbers, especially when you need custom intervals. And that's how you create arrays with NumPy using Arange. Simple, powerful, and flexible.